The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to redefine the smartphone industry and ignite a new year tech revolution. With an exclusive launch scheduled for January 22, 2025 at the Galaxy Unpacked event in the US, Samsung is setting the stage for a groundbreaking release. Pre-orders will begin on January 24, with global availability starting February 7, and the excitement is already off the charts. This year, Samsung has taken a bold step by exclusively integrating Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Chipset across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. Built on TSMC's advanced 3-in process, the Snapdragon 8 Elite promises up to 35% faster CPU performance and 30% better GPU efficiency. Its Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0 and Snapdragon Game Super Resolution will make mobile gaming smoother, sharper, and cooler than ever, ensuring an immersive experience for gamers and power users. But that's just the start. Leaks reveal the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a nearly bezel-less display and bold new colors like Bing Gold, Jade Green, and Jet Black. The Ultra model is expected to come with a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a powerful 10x optical zoom, ensuring every shot feels like it was taken with a professional DSLR. The other models in the series, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, aren't holding back either, with impressive 50MP primary cameras and enhanced photography features. Rumors of a Galaxy S25 Slim, a 6mm thin powerhouse with flagship-level camera capabilities, have also started to make waves. If true, this could be Samsung's most portable and stylish device yet, and all models in the lineup will now start with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, eliminating the lower configurations entirely, addressing a long-standing user request and future-proofing these devices. The Galaxy S25 series also introduces Samsung's smartest AI assistant yet. Next-gen Bixby now offers real-time image enhancement, predictive text, and seamless integration with apps, making your phone more intuitive than ever. Combined with One UI's smoother navigation and streamlined design, this series is built to elevate the user experience to new heights. In a market filled with fierce competition, Samsung has its sights set on outshining rivals like Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google's Pixel 9 Pro. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is reportedly outperforming Apple's 18 Pro in multi-core benchmarks, giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra a clear edge in performance. Whether it's for gaming, multitasking, or photography, this phone seems poised to dominate. With rumors of an ESIM-only variant in the US and advanced power management features, Samsung is also future-proofing its devices for a tech-savvy audience. Add to that millimeter-wave 5G antennas and enhanced S Pen functionality, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the ultimate productivity tool. In a market filled with fierce competition, Samsung has its sights set on outshining rivals like Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google's Pixel 9 Pro. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is reportedly outperforming Apple's 18 Pro in multi-core benchmarks, giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra a clear edge in performance. Whether it's for gaming, multitasking, or photography, this phone seems poised to dominate. With rumors of an ESIM-only variant in the US and advanced power management features, Samsung is also future-proofing its devices for a tech-savvy audience. Add to that millimeter-wave 5G antennas and enhanced S Pen functionality, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the ultimate productivity tool. The Galaxy S25 series isn't just a smartphone, it's a declaration of innovation. As we count down to January 22, the excitement is only building. Whether you're a gamer, a photography enthusiast, or someone who values cutting-edge design, the Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver something extraordinary. Get ready, because Samsung is about to set a new standard in flagship smartphones.